Good morning to all of you. My name is Abhay Singh, and it was my first study blog that I have recorded today. And my only interest is to share this video to tell you how I manage my study for this course, means BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration, and how this book is helpful for me, and which what and also what the external sources is helpful for me to cover this course, no, for for the common entrance exam. The book which I have preferred for my BBA course, you can see it here. So this book, BBA Common Entrance Exam, and it comes with a solved paper of 2020 and 16, 5 practice sets and 4 section tests. And how you can apply for it, I also tell you in the next video. And there is only a online mode. I also tell you that it's an online mode. It can come with the offline mode, and the examination which is conducted for that course is only in the Delhi, not anywhere else. And there is the procedure, eligibility and career for BBA, and this is all about the content that is comes with this book. And I also tell you about how this books comes with which information does it gives us for your common entrance exam. uh, I I tell you more about it, but in the next video. It's I just want to tell you that how I manage my this. I manage this my study, that I give the small amount of time for the every chapter or every content in the 4 parts, which is divided into 4 parts. And the sub parts come with many of the small chapters, not in the chapters, all about the books in a small amount, means Indian political or general awareness about, and many of these things. I only give that 30 to 45 minutes for every sections, so that I could go through every section and complete my whole day's course, so that I could also revise for it, because huge it's a huge content in given in this. It's almost uh, 40 to 45 chapters almost come with the papers. It's not easy for that to complete the whole and to revise it again, but it's not hard to manage it. It's easy, but you not need to go for the things that makes you creates a burden on your heads. And you cannot go through only this book. You need also an external source. I also tell you more about it and in the next video. And thanks for this, that you have watching my this video. If you think this good for you, then subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. And if you think that it's beneficial for you, then click on the like button. And thanks for your time.